think you emailed me about La Bamba, right? Um, La Bamba is a 1-4-5 song. When I say that to myself and to you, it means we're just dealing with three chords. We have a C major, da 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 ba 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 da 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 da. So when I say it's a 1-4-5 song, La Bamba, a popular Israeli snack food. I say it's a 1-4-5. It's a CFG song, a 1-4-5. So what this means, Denise, is when I say, Denise, show me your C to F to G on your left hand. It means, so you write on a piece of paper CFG, you have your C, F, G. My next step for learning La Bamba, I'm assuming you know it. You've heard it thousands of times. You can sing over that, da 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 da, with the words or not. I don't know the words, so I'm just gonna go la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, 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 da. Thank you for that request, Wendy. It was a beautiful song. Do da da do da da da, boo da ba da da, boo 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 ba da. The monthly challenge we did last month, February, last week, is to be able to do this, right? Do da da ba da 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 la bamba. Do da 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 da. The chord changes fall in a strange kind of timing, but your steps to learning the song, Denise, it's a 1-4-5 song. It's a CFG. Anyone, not just Denise, right? Do da ba do be do ba boo da da ba da ba do ba da da. Eventually, you could introduce ba da 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 da. Ba ba da dee doo ba da ba. Straightforward. If I say Denise or someone, play me a C major to F major to G major on your right hand. Right, left hand, right hand together eventually. Da da ba da, and sing the song or hum it in your head. Da 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 do dee da do da 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 da. The whole song goes like that. Eventually, it'd be cool to get a cool rhythm. You could do it do da da do da da boo doo boo doo boo doo boo. I can't do that. I would do a da 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 da. Just an alternate bass technique. Right? Just slow down. And then the melody comes through. It's all white notes. But behind it all are those chord changes. And getting there is like we learn every song. Right hand separate, left hand separate. Start really, really simply and see where you're stumbling. If it's in the right hand, if you can't go from the F to the G in your 15 minutes of practice, F major, try it. G major, try it.